Gordon Ramsay has led you astray. In a cooking episode on YouTube, he makes chimichurri, Argentina's national sauce. While Gordon's recipe may look like the real chimichurri, it's far from it. Really what he makes is a vinaigrette with a pile of herbs dumped into it.
Chimichurri, add fresh oregano in, fresh dill in, your mint in, tear it up, and then from there, coriander, tear that up in, and finally, to give it that nice sort of earthiness, your fresh parsley. Now, tear that in there, fragrant, incredible. Squeeze olive oil, put the olive oil in.
But in fairness to Gordon, he uses one of the best cuts of meat that the Argentinians use on their grill. But more about that later. For now, if you want to know how to make classic, real chimichurri, come along, follow me. I'm out of my tree. This is my good friend Diego. He's a porteño. That's someone who comes from Buenos Aires in Argentina, yeah? Porteño?
Exactly.
Okay, go on, right. So he's going to show us how to make this chimichurri from scratch. Okay, Diego, what do we start with? Two garlics. There's not many ingredients in this, right? So we have the parsley, that's fresh. Oregano, dried. This here is kind of it's like powdered chili, but it's not too spicy. This is not meant to be a spicy sauce, just a touch of heat, that's it. Right, and then all we need then is vinegar. This is a white wine vinegar and vegetable oil, okay? No olive oil.
Not olive.
No.
It changed the flavor of the chimichurri.
It changes the flavour. Okay, so just normal vegetable oil will do. And that's it, a bit of salt. And we're done. We're done. So you actually chop this quite fine, like small.
Very small.
Oh, very small. Okay. Yeah. Nice. Parsley. How much of this do we use, Diego?
Punch.
Okay, so something like...
Like that.
like that on that one. Okay.
Something like that.
Something like that, alright? Alright guys at home, it's something like that.
What is that?
I don't know, that's a bunch, that's a bunch.
The idea when you
bunch.
cut little, it's like five spoons.
Oh.
Ah, yeah, okay, so, yeah, so 5, yeah. Chimichurri is used on everything, every type of meat. You can use it on your beef, you can use it on your pork, you can use it on your chicken, okay? And it's everywhere in Argentina. Where does it come from? No one really knows. But I heard a very fascinating story that it was actually an Irishman who invented it. And his name...
Do you believe him?
I'm not sure if I believe it, but I did read, the font of all knowledge, Google, that it was a guy called Chimichurri. And he invented this, and the locals then started, over time, calling it not Jimmy McCurry, but Chimichurri. Don't know. What do you think? Put comments down below. So Diego, you're living in Chile these days, yeah?
20 years.
20 years. So what made you kind of go up in life?
I came here.
Yeah. What made you go to a
My
better?
love.
You came for love.
Yeah.
Yeah. You didn't come for a job and then find love, did you? You came
No,
for money.
I first no.
Oh, you came for love. Don't say anything. The wife is listening. That's right. Say hello to Larry. Yay!
Hello,
And
Marcy.
Marcy, our friend. Yay!
No,
Your wife is
no.
listening to this.
No, when I came to Chile,
Yeah.
my salary was paid in Argentina, not here.
Ah, yeah.
I
Okay.
found love and
Yeah.
then changed to a better salary in Chile.
Oh, okay.
Argentina was in.
It was in Argentina was in crisis. Never heard of that
Yeah.
before. But then,
No.
20 years ago. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It might be today, and even in the future when you're looking at this. But the Argentinians are like the best people in the world. So don't
Yeah.
get me wrong. Like you
Every
are.
10 years we have a crisis.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, that's-
it's usual.
Fresh parsley is the key. That's the dominant kind of taste from chimichurri. This is the oregano, and this is the kind of the what's it?
Spanish, what's it
Well,
called?
ají molida. We'll put it on the screen. Yeah, or molido.
Ají molido.
Molida. Good. Okay, whatever. Molido.
Molido with an O.
Molido. Boludo.
Boludo, molido. Como
Che,
like
boludo.
boludo.
Boludo. Moludo. Anyway, important thing. What's the quantities?
1 spoon,
1 spoon.
2 spoons.
You can't get simpler. This cannot get any simpler.
2 spoons.
2 spoons and 2 in that one.
This one.
2. Great. Okay.
1 and 1.
1 and 1.
Okay. So we
More the
have
better. Yeah.
everything in place.
Okay.
Okay.
We
So
have
there
the
we go.
garlic.
Yeah. There's the garlic.
Parsley.
parsley, and whatever this is called. Ají boludo.
Ají molido.
Ají molido. Okay, bit of salt. Have you washed your hands?
Of course. So let's go with the oil.
So this is you said is where the magic begins.
Correct. I
Yeah.
don't like much
Okay. Yeah. So,
oil in the
okay. Yeah.
in the chimichurri.
Right. So that's like just two. You're putting in 2 spoonfuls.
2 spoons,
Yeah.
and we mix and see how it.
Yes, how it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes
If
sense.
we need more, we add more.
Okay.
But just getting the balance between the
Yeah,
oil
between
and
that
the
and the-
vinegar.
Good. A bit more.
And now we go with the vinegar. How many spoons were?
Right, I wasn't actually counting.
Oh,
No, I think you put in.
who is helping me in the kitchen?
Oh God!
It was 4.
Lucy, how many? It was 4.
Yeah.
Okay,
4.
so it is 4. Yeah. So that'll be 4 of these. Yeah.
Let's get 3 first.
Oh, that's really. Yeah, I can smell that vinegar, and that's really looking like chimichurri now to me.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You can get the smell, Lucy? Yeah, that vinegar coming out. Make this at least a day before. Don't just make it half an hour before your barbecue. So my question is, if Mr. Jimmy McCurry didn't invent this, what would you eat with your meat? Nothing. Nothing.
Salt.
So salt.
Only salt.
Only salt. So thanks to the Irish, the Argentinians have the best meat in the world.
Whatever.
Okay, that might be a
Okay.
claim too
Yeah,
far.
yeah, yeah.
Claim too far.
We can discuss about
We can
that.
discuss that.
Yeah.
We have it. We have our chimichurri on our meat. All right, Diego. Time to taste. Cheers.
Oh my God.
Very good. Well, Diego, thanks a million for showing me your own recipe. Thanks a million. And remember the cut of meat that Gordon uses? Well, that's a skirt steak, an absolutely delicious cut, but Gordon cuts it very fast.
Cook this steak at room temperature, literally 2 minutes each side.
No, not the style that the Argentinians cook their skirt steak. If you want to find out about that, check out this video up here. And until then, guys, take it easy, but take it.